Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set gesture lock on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner. Tap on gesture lock on the second row. Tap on create gesture password. Here, you need to create a gesture password so that other cannot open Mico while using your mobile phone. Here I am going to create a random one. Confirm your pattern. And that is how you can easily set gesture lock on Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming video.